Welcome. In this video, we'll explore two key technologies in web development, JavaScript and Node.js. By the end, you'll understand what they are, how they work, and why they're so important. JavaScript is a high-level programming language mainly used to make websites interactive. From drop-down menus to animated images, JavaScript powers the dynamic features you see on websites. It's the core technology, alongside HTML and CSS, that shapes the user experience in the browser. JavaScript runs directly in your browser, allowing developers to change web content in real time. It's an interpreted language, meaning it executes line by line while you interact with a website. This is why it's so essential for building responsive, fast websites. While JavaScript started as a browser-only language, Node.js brought it to the server side. Node.js is a runtime environment that lets developers build the backend of web applications using JavaScript. This makes it possible to use JavaScript both for the front end and back end. Node.js is popular for its ability to handle multiple requests efficiently thanks to its event-driven architecture. This makes it perfect for real-time applications like chat apps, streaming services, and online gaming. Plus, developers love that they can use the same language across the full stack. To sum up, JavaScript brings interactivity to websites, while Node.js extends its power to the server side. Together, they allow developers to build fast, scalable, full-stack applications using a single language. That's why JavaScript and Node.js are so essential in modern web development. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tutorials.